Hello everyone, welcome to Surya's Easy Maths. In a previous video, we studied about division. Children, division is nothing but repeated addition. So today, we are going to see division as repeated subtraction. Children, see here. Here I have 12 marbles and I want to distribute it among 4 children. So first I give 1 to each child. Yes? So now we have left how many marbles with us? Do the subtraction. 4 minus 12 is equal to 8. So 8 marbles are left now with me. Now again I give each of them 1 marble. Now how many marbles are left? Let us see. Let us do the repeated subtraction of 4. So, 4 minus from 8 is equal to 4 marbles. Now this time I have 4 marbles left with me. Now again I give each of them 1 marble for the third time. So now nothing is left with me. That is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 marbles. So, 12 marbles have been divided among 4 boys. Each boy got 3 marbles. Here, 4 is subtracted 3 times from 12 to get the 0. We can write it as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Thus, division can also be done by repeated subtraction. Now children, here numbers are given to us and we have to do the repeated subtraction. So here 16 divided by 4 is equal to what? This we have to find out by doing repeated subtraction. So I write 16 in right side as it is dividend. Now what is divisor? Yes, it is 4. So I write 4 below 16. Now let us do subtraction. 4 minus 16 is equal to what? Yes, Semi, you are correct. 4 minus 16 is equal to 12. Now again we will do repeated subtraction of 4 for the second time from 12. Now 4 minus 12 is equal to what? Yes, 4 minus 12 is equal to 8. Now one more time we will subtract 4 for the third time. That is 4 minus 8 is equal to 4. Now for the fourth time we will subtract 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Children, observe carefully. From 16 we did repeated subtraction of 4 till we get 0. Like this, how many times we subtracted? Yes, for 4 times we subtracted. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Now let's see another example. 18 divided by 9. Now from 18 we have to do repeated subtraction of 9 until we get 0. So let's start doing repeated subtraction. 18 I have written above as it is dividend and 9 I have written below 18 as it is divisor. Now 9 minus 18 is equal to what? Yes, you are correct. 9 minus 18 is equal to 9. Now for the second time we will do subtraction of 9 from 9. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. because 2 times we subtracted 9 from 18 to get the 0. Now let's see one more example. 35 divided by 7. Now here we have to do repeated subtraction of 7 from 35 until we come to 0. So let us write 35 above as it is dividend and 7 below because it is divisor. Now let us do subtraction of 7 for the first time. That is 7 minus from 35 is equal to 28. Now from this 28 we will do repeated subtraction of 7 for the second time. So 7 minus from 28 is equal to 21. Now for the third time we will subtract 7 from 21. That is 7 minus from 21 is equal to 14. Now for the fourth time we will subtract 7. So 7 minus 14 is equal to 7. Now 7 are left with us. So for the fifth time we will subtract 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Finally we reach to 0. Children, how many times we subtracted 7? Yes, for 5 times we subtracted 7 from 35. Therefore, 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Now, let's see the last example. 24 divided by 8 is equal to what? Now we have to divide 24 by 8. So, let us subtract 8 from 24. So, 24 we write above as it is dividend and 8 we write below as it is divisor. Now, for the first time, let us subtract 8 from 24. So, 8 minus from 24 is equal to what? You are correct. 8 minus from 24 is 16. Now, for second time, we will subtract 8 from 16. That is 8 minus from 16 is equal to 8. Now, for the third time, we will subtract 8. So, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. For 3 times, we subtracted 8 from 24 to get the 0. So, now children, I hope that you all have understood how to do repeated subtraction in division. If you like this video, then please press on like button and also give your valuable comments. And don't forget to subscribe Surya's Easy Maths. And please press on bell icon for more notifications. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.